Hi, my name is NAJWA BATRISYIA binti MUSTAQIM and my metric number is 231538.
Hi, my name is Mustaqim bin KAMARUZAMAN and my metric number is 2289-1.
Hi, my name is ABDULLAH HAZIM bin ABDUL MANAF. My matrix number is 229303.
Hi, my name is YAKNYAKUMARAN SELVAN and my matrix number is 228823.
My name is SHAZZAFIFI binti SHAFENDI and my metric number is 228782.
Wow! Have you ever wondered why the inside of a refrigerator stays cold while the back of it feels warm? Today, our thermodynamics scavenger hunt will solve this mystery. Let's go!
So here, I will present and explain to all of you about the investigating the refrigerator. At first glance, we may think that a refrigerator produces cold air. In reality, thermodynamics explains that it functions by extracting heat from inside the refrigerator and releasing it to the surroundings. As heat is removed, the inside temperature decreases and remains cold.
Now, let's see how thermodynamics works inside a refrigerator. A refrigerator actually does not create cold air. Instead, it removes heat from inside and releases it to the outside. First, the refrigerants absorb heat from the food, causing it to evaporate into a gas. The compressor then increases the gas pressure and temperature. Next, the hot refrigerants release the heat through the condenser coils at the back of the refrigerant. Finally, it passes through the expansion valve, become cold again, and then the cycles repeat. This shows how the first law of thermodynamics works inside the refrigerants, which is the energy is not created or destroyed. It is simply transferred from one place to the another place.
A refrigerator is a great example of STEM because it combines science, technology, engineering and mathematics to solve an everyday problem, keeping our food fresh and safe. First, science explains how heat is removed from inside the refrigerator to keep food cold. Next, technology is the refrigerator system that controls the temperature and keeps the refrigerator running properly. And then engineering is used to design parts like compressor, condenser, evaporator so they work together efficiently. And finally, mathematics helps determine the right temperature and energy use, making the refrigerator both effective and energy efficient.
Now, let's look at its sustainability. Refrigerator also support sustainability by helping food stay fresh for a longer time and reducing food waste. Many modern refrigerators are designed to use less electricity, making them more energy efficient. By using less energy, they help reduce environmental impact and support a greener future. So, in conclusion, our investigation showed that a refrigerator does not produce cold air. Instead, it removes heat from inside and releases it outside. This demonstrates the first law of thermodynamics, where energy is transferred rather than created or destroyed. The refrigerator is a simple example of how thermodynamics works in our everyday life. So, case solved. Thank you for watching.